Hi, welcome to the channel, Wirral Drone Filming. Something non-drone related. Just a little review and a test of the car that I bought for my son. It's a four-wheel drive rock crawlers Bigfoot toy with 2.4 gigahertz remote, four-wheel drive, four independent suspension. And instead of me prattling on about something that I haven't really got an awful lot of knowledge about, I'll just go straight into a little test. Oh, did that wheel spin? Well, there you go. Not much holds it back. Not bad for £32.55 from eBay. I'll put a link in the description, so hopefully you found this video useful. As you can see there, I attached a GoPro on top of it, which made my lad's day. So if you like this video or any of my other videos, just hit like, share and subscribe. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.